Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how to improve your English communication skills in 30 days. Sounds impossible. No, it's not. You just need to get one thing in your head that if you want to have mastery over something, then you have to be consistent. You know, practice makes a man perfect. Yeah, that's it. And if you follow my suggestions, then I assure you that after 30 days, you will find noticeable changes. So without any further ado, let's get started. To send voice notes on WhatsApp. Nowadays, people are using social sites a lot, as in Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. And guys, WhatsApp has so many features, and one of them is voice notes, and you can say voice messages. So instead of texting someone, why don't you send voice notes? And the best part is, if you think that you made a mistake, you can delete it. You can record your voice again and you can send it again, isn't it? And it will help you out to get over the fear of speaking, and it will help you out to build up the confidence as well. But make sure first you're trying it with your family, friends, and your known ones. Make a call to companies or call center. Now, this is the most amazing and weird technique at the same time to improve your communication skill. All you need to do is make some random calls to companies or call center to ask them about their products. And it will help you out to get over the hesitation and build up your confidence as well. Now, this is something I usually used to do when I was in my childhood. I used to make a call to Vodafone companies and used to ask them about SIMs and all. So you can follow the same. It will help you out. Learn new word on every or alternative days. Now, this is totally up to you. If you think you have a sharp memory and you can handle new word every day, go for it. But if you think that you're going to forget that new word again and again, then you can learn it on alternative basis. But if you think that, okay, you learned new words and your job is done, no, your job is not done. You have to use that word in your daily sentences every now and then. Mirror practice. I've already explained about mirror practice in my previous video. You can find the link in description. And in that video, I've already explained that how to do mirror practice. You know, some people are clueless that how to start mirror practice. So in that video, you will get all the information. Okay, let's make it short. Coming back to this video. Mirror practice actually helps us out to boost up our confidence, and you will get to know about your body language, gestures, and eye-to-eye contact. And more specifically, when you don't have anyone in your home whom you can talk to, then there is only one person, that is your reflection, who can listen to you, and obviously it won't respond to you, but you can improve a lot by talking to your reflection. This is really fun. English news and music. Guys, if you are interested for news, then go for English news channels. And if you are totally into music, then go for English music. So both having their own benefits. I mean, if you get to watch out English news channels, you get to know about some new words. It will enhance your vocabulary. And if you listening to English music, then you will get to know about some idioms, slangs, phrases, which are quite popular all over the world. Read out English book. Now guys, do read out at least one page of book, any book, and that should be in English. So it will help you out to get to know the formation of sentences, and obviously you will get to know some new words, and it will pimp up your vocabulary as well. Change the recommend list on Instagram, FB, and YouTube Shorts. Now guys, this is the toughest one. You know, as I told you that nowadays people are using social sites a lot, and they just keep on watching out reels and short video, and they just bumping into rubbish videos. They know that they just wasting their time, they just goofing around, but still they can't help it. So this is something I'm really talking about. You really need to change your recommend list. Okay, I have no particular idea about it, but how I have done that, I'm going to share my experience. I unfollow all the unnecessary things, and then I maximize the watch time of the videos, what I really want to see in future, and I minimize watch time of the cringy videos. So you can follow the same. It will really help you out, and we really need to do this. So guys, time to wrap up the video. But before wrapping up the video, I assure you guys that if you follow these tips on daily basis for 30 days, then you will improve a lot. So please do it on daily basis. And yeah, don't forget 2 keywords. Be confident and keep practicing. See you in next video. Bye.